Do you want to make your own compost at home? Well, it's really simple. All you need is cardboard, grass clippings, hay, and you can get started in the backyard.
So when we start layering, the best thing to do is start with cardboard. It'll keep the moisture in the soil, but it'll reduce your weeds. Then the next we do is a little layer of greens or nitrogen. Can be anything, weeds, bit of coffee grounds, all of these are nitrogen. And then we continue with something, newspaper. All you have to keep in mind that you have, for every portion of greens, you need to have 2 portions of brown or carbon. And you can continue this until either your beds are full or you're out of material. And try and keep in mind that 1:2 ratio. And what we'd like to do is we always finish with a nice thick layer of hay at the top. Make sure that all the layers are nice and wet, so they don't dry out too quick. So when you're finished with layering your garden, you can plant straight into it. You don't have to wait until it's broken down. All you do is you get some of your compost left over from last year, make a little opening in the top hay, put in a handful of compost, and your seedlings can go straight in.
If you'd like to learn more about growing your own food at home, then come visit the Taranaki Sustainable Backyards Trail this spring.